Can you believe it? In just 1 year, everything changed the dynamic of the competition between Jennie and Lisa. For a long time, Lisa seemed almost impossible to surpass. With her solo music releases, global tours, and countless international performances, she firmly held the spotlight in the global conversation. At that time, many people believed that it would be difficult for any other Blackpink member to match Lisa's worldwide influence. But everything started to change in 2026. With songs like Jennie and Dracula, Jennie created a massive wave across social media, taking her popularity to an entirely new level. Her influence continued to grow. From the Governor's Ball in the United States to major European festivals like Mad Cool and Roskilde Festival, Jennie kept appearing on world-class festival stages, constantly expanding her presence among global audiences. Her performance clips went viral, flooding TikTok, Instagram, and X. The level of global attention that once belonged to Lisa began to shift. In 2026, Jennie appears to have entered her own era, and the competition for global influence among Blackpink's members has entered a completely new chapter.